Well, I've been looking forward to this. Very nice. Cheers. Finally, a successful brew. That's got some nice taste to it. Definitely got that bitter taste. Tiny bit of sediment there in the bottom, not as bad as my tester jar, which came with it. And actually, once it's in the glass, pretty clear as well. So I think it turned out splendid, and I'll see what some of my friends think and see if I can get them to try one. There's a little sediment there in the bottom of the honey ale. So what I'm going to do with the next brew actually is rack it for an extra week or so in the middle, which isn't in the instructions, but may just be exactly what's needed to help get rid of that sediment from the drink. So I may not be the greatest taste tester, but after the bitterness you get from that first swig, it then goes down very smoothly. Either that's just your palate acclimatizing, or just it needs to be out of the bottle for a little bit before you take a drink. Whichever one it is, though, I'm pretty pleased with how that's turned out. Sediments side, which doesn't affect the taste, just in terms of improving the brewing ability. That's one down and another one in progress. So looking forward to opening another bottle to see how that goes, and sharing with some friends soon. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers, all the best.
The Goldsmiths Honey Ale is now almost 2 months old, so 54 days to be precise. And it's been in the fridge for just over 2 weeks, 16 days, and so I'm going to give it a bit of a try. I've got 2 bottles after this one left, so we'll sort of see if it's mellowed a little from our sort of tasting sort of at the weekend. Vapour, good sign. Oh, yes, definitely sort of improving with age, possibly because it's also chilled as well. Not that sharp bitterness anymore, still a bit of aftertaste, that's normal, but actually tastes like a beer this time. So yes, I think just a little bit of extra time on the end there compared to the instructions definitely helps it along a little bit. Cheers everyone. Bit of sediment there in the bottom. That's something I'm going to continue to work on, see whether I can do a little bit more with the racking phase, or do a little bit more with some finings to sort of work that out as we go forward. But actually, compared to my very first attempt, the Punk IPA, which was like, had lots of grit in there, that's a relatively small amount of sediment. If I'd have been a bit more careful, I might have just got a smidge more out of that bottle. That's it, I think, for the Goldsmiths Honey Ale. Very nice. My new ball brush is awesome. Ta-da!